Tree tobacco is a very showy plant from South America that was introduced to the States as a decorative plant. But eventually, this big guy took over and became very invasive in natural habitats. This plant is very successful because it has a very strong main stem, and this plant can be grown in very disturbed areas with little to no water. Ways to identify is these nice silver waxy leaves that have these waxing coatings here, but also their trumpet yellow flowers, which is a common characteristic that you find in plants in the nightshade family. Yes, this plant is related to tomatoes, potatoes, and even your average tobacco. And while the flowers might be popular for pollinators, it is invasive, and if you don't remove it on time, they can get up to 20 feet tall, making it much more challenging to remove. But if you remove them while they're young, it shouldn't be a problem and should be easy peasy. I hope you learned something new today, and thanks for watching.